everyone, it's Millicent. Today I'm inside CHN-TOP's factory. You can see here this big machine in front of us is the ZT180 PCD PCBN insert CNC grinder machine. And later I will tell you guys more details about this machine. ZT180 is a high precision PCD PCBN tools automatic grinder, especially for indexable inserts and mining cutters. The feed shaft is equipped with a linear motor, which has more precise movement and fast reaction speed. It can grind large radials and irregular curves by interpolation through two-axis linkage. High-precision grinding of complex curved edge, such as groove cutter, can be accomplished in one clamping